Alrighty, so I started the day with banana on toast and a coffee. Morning meeting. I had plenty of visitors this morning. The whole damn thing. Good job, matey. Hello. I know. See you later, Tapu or Takapoo. However the hell you fucking pronounce it. Absolutely beautiful. I'll see you again in the future. Then I went to Mount Cook today and did the Tasman Glacier Walk. It's about 20-25 minutes from the car park. Very scenic. It's absolutely stunning. Unfortunately, it is all upstairs, but it was so worth it. Like, look at this. It was very windy up here, but I spent a good 20-30 minutes taking in the scenery and just getting some shots for myself, but also for you guys. I was so happy to be up here, but I had no idea how good Kia Point actually was, which is the next stop. I thought this was it and this is the best it's going to get. Nah, Kia Point, beautiful. But yeah, I'm just taking in the scenery here. I had a little snack. Heading back down and on my way to Kia Point, which is about 15 minutes away from here. So this walk from the car park was about 30 minutes, but I really took my time. Like, just look at the views. I was in awe the whole entire time. It was crazy. There was a few rocky parts, so just watch your step. But this is the view you're treated to. I had lunch up here and I took so many damn photos, but it was just so gorgeous and stunning and just, oh, I love snowy mountains. So there's about 4 to 5 different tracks in this area, and they can take up anywhere up to 2 to 6 hours. So if you really want to spend a full day here, go early. I only did 2 tracks in this area of Mount Cook because honestly, I didn't have a lot of time, and again, I got there late, and because of the weather, I was unsure. It was very unpredictable. But then as I was leaving in the car park, I saw these little ducklings. I thought they were so cute. Just look at them. There's Mama Duck. I wasn't able to move until they were gone, but yeah. And then I arrived in Queenstown and went to the ice bar. This was a really fun experience. I definitely recommend having layers underneath. It's so cold. But this is all hand carved by one person. So I got to spend about an hour here and I got 2 drinks as a part of the package. And at the end of this experience you get to smash your glass. Unfortunately, I already smashed mine, and the person that I got to record unfortunately forgot to press record. So I used somebody else's glass that I made friends with. They were happy with that. As you can see, yeah. Couple hours later, I then checked into Driftaway Holiday Park, I think it is. I got the powered site waterfront view, and I am staying here for the next week. So I will try and take some photos and videos of the views that I get. And yeah, I did have more videos and photos for today, but unfortunately with TikTok, you're only allowed 35 photos or videos or both. For one video, so unfortunately I had to cut it short. But yeah, that was all for day 19. Day 20, tomorrow, I'll be doing a jet boat ride, visiting Arrowtown, and also doing the luge and the gondola. I don't know how to pronounce it anyway. But yeah, stay tuned for that. See ya.